everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're crocheting the letter B. I'm using a cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. I'll start by chaining 11. Then single crochet in the second chain from the hook, single crochet in every chain. Next row will be chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch till the end of the row. I'm going to repeat this row for 2 and 3. So the next 2 rows will be the same. Chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. Row 4, I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Here we're going to start shaping the bee. I'm going to turn and I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. For row 6, I'm going to repeat row 4. And for row 7, I'm going to repeat row 5. Going into row 8, I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet together, single crochet in the next stitches. Then I'm going to turn. Row 9, I'm going to repeat row 5. Row 10, I'm going to repeat row 8. Row 11, I'm going to repeat row 5. And row 12, I'm going to repeat row 8. So I will alternate between 5 and 8. Then I'm going to fasten off. Now I'm going to join my yarn in the parallel side where I'm going to chain 1, join the yarn, chain 1, and from row 4 to 12 I'm going to make single crochet in the next 3 stitches and turn. So chain 1, single crochet in the next 3 stitches and turn like you see here from row 4 to 12. Now into row 13 I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, chain 3, join to the other side with a single crochet in the next stitch and every stitch till the end of the row. For row 14 I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet together and single crochet in every stitch. Row 15 I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet throughout the row. Row 16 I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Row 17 to 28 I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in the next 3 stitches and fasten off. Now again I'm going to join the yarn in the parallel side. So for row 17 again, facing the other side, I'm going to chain 1, do single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. Row 18, I'm going to chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch. Row 19, I'm going to repeat row 17. Row 20, I'm going to repeat row 18. Into row 21, I'm going to chain 1, 2 single crochet together, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Row 22, chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch. Row 23, I'm going to repeat row 21. Row 24, I'm going to repeat row 22. 25, again I'm going to repeat row 21, and row 26, I'm going to repeat row 22. For row 27, I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, chain 3, and join to the other side with a single crochet and continue single crochet in every stitch. For row 28, I'm going to chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. Row 29, again chain 1, single crochet in every stitch. Row 30, 2 single crochet together and single crochet in every stitch. And that's it, you can fasten off and the B letter is ready. I hope you like this tutorial and find it easy. Together with the written pattern, you'll be able to achieve it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye-bye.